and high reliability in working under difficult environment. The highly professional technical personnel of the company have developed a reliable waterproof body which does not let moisture in even if submerged into water. Even a 3-meter fall down to a concrete floor will not be able to stop the device. It is also very important that the multimeter works in a wide range of temperatures, from 15 degrees Celsius below zero to 55 above. The device can also easily survive a fall into the snow. Fluke 28II multimeter can perform quite narrow measurements, AC and DC voltage of up to 1000 volts, AC and DC current of up to 10 amperes, resistance of up to 15 megaohms, capacitance of up to 9.999 microfarads, frequency up to 200 kHz, as well as temperature using special sensor of -200 to 1.090 degrees Celsius. The front panel of the device holds a multi-position switch used to select the measurement unit, functions, control buttons, LCD, and input slots for test leads. The apparatus comes with a 2-level backlight of the display and function buttons for operation at night or in poorly lit environment. The delivery set includes the following components: Fluke 28II multimeter will install battery, a set of test leads, 2 crocodile clips, and a temperature sensor.